Zach and I are going to use the Vamvo Ultra Mini Portable Projector tonight to watch Star Wars Episode 1. We did watch the original 3, and he's looking forward to seeing the other 3 that came out after, which we all know are not as good as the original, but we want Zach to see it all, right? Anyways, you can see that it is a very small size. It's about the size of my hand. We are going to use the Vamvo portable projector screen right there to project on. It was an awesome buy. We had it from last year. If you want to see the review of the Vamvo portable projector screen, please look for the link in the description below. We're also going to use the DKU speakers. They're flame Bluetooth speakers. We're going to use that with my work laptop to project Star Wars Episode 1. Inside the box of the Vamvo mini projector, you have the projector itself right here. You also have the AC adapter, which is used to charge the battery, as well as you can run it just from an outlet. Has a user guide with all the directions in it. It also comes with a very nice tripod. On the bottom of your unit, it has a standard tripod screw mount there. It also has the remote. This comes in very handy when controlling it. I find it much easier to use it with the remote, but it also does have the controls on top. As far as connections, it has this little door on the side that you just open up, and this is where you can put the AC adapter in. You can also plug in a USB drive that will have movies or pictures or sound or music on it, and it can play directly from the USB drive. It also accepts SD cards right in there, just like the USB. It can support all that stuff. HDMI is what I'm going to use it mostly for, to connect to computers, and then it also has an AV out over here. Really easy on the Vamvo mini projector here to get it started. It's all charged, has an internal battery, and we're just gonna flip the screen open and it turns on instantly. A little warm-up time, and I have it on a tripod so that way I can adjust this. So even with a light on the porch here, we still have a perfectly lit picture. It's out of focus though. Go over here on the right, they have a focus switch, and it's really delicate. So I'm gonna turn that just ever so slightly. And then if we look at the picture now, it's really clear. Now this picture can be bigger if you get the tripod back with it, but this is big enough for us for tonight. I would say that it does a really nice job with everything. It has controls on it like any projector, by the way. So just know that this does support the 1080. You can see the projectors right here. If I click on the buttons, I can highlight all the buttons I need. Although you can control it with the controls on top of the projector, I like using this remote right here better because you have more control. Plus and minus is the volume. You have a menu button right here with many options, which we'll explore in a second. Back button, source button. You can select HDMI multi-output or USB, so I'm going to keep it on HDMI. You can also control pausing and playing videos from USB. You have a mute button on the top, and you also have a power off button. Let's look at the options available on this projector. So if I push the menu button, it comes up with picture, and you just move up and down with this remote. You could do standard, you can do soft, you can do user controlled and dynamic. We're gonna keep it on standard for now. Gonna push the back button to go to menu. Color temperature medium. You could go warm, you could go user. So it has a bunch of color temps. We're gonna keep it on medium for now. Aspect ratio, we're gonna leave it on auto, but it does 4:3 or 16:9. Scan and zoom. Noise reduction for the speaker. You could have off, low, middle, high, or default. We're just gonna leave it in the middle where it is. You can also project from different places. In other words, this is right in front of the screen, so we have normal front, but you can also reverse it, normal back. You can also have it upside down, so if you flip the projector upside down, you can project it that way. You could also invert it backwards. So you can mount the projector in many different ways. Image scaling. Let's say that you have this set up somewhere far and you have to fix the way that it looks, then you can use image scaling to help you. They also have a brightness mode, mode 4, okay? This would come in handy because this is running on battery currently, so you can reduce the brightness as needed. We are going to keep it on mode 4 though. We want it on full brightness and lumens because we're out on the porch. For sound, they have standard, they have music, they have movie, they have sports. We are going to leave it on standard, but you can balance it out. You have auto volume, you have an equalizer, you can have emulated surround sound, and you can also output SP diff mode out, and I have it on auto. It also has time. You can set the clock, or you can have an on and off time, sleep timer, and you can have an auto sleep never, which is what we're going to leave it on now. We can update the software by USB, on-screen display language, so it supports many different languages. Restore factory default settings, color range, and on-screen display duration. Has a lot of options on it for being such a small projector. We have hooked up HDMI to my work laptop over there. We have the movie already ready to go, and we're going to show you the picture quality as we go. The picture on this portable projector is really, really good for a portable projector. It's not going to be a 5,000 lumen full-out projector, but for a portable, almost pocket-sized projector, it comes in very clear, and the colors are great. So the Vamvo mini projector has a battery inside of it, and I forgot to charge it, by the way, but we've been watching a good hour of this movie, an AC adapter that you can plug in to power it while watching. So overall, the Vamvo mini projector is doing a great job. Easy setup, really, really crisp picture on there. I have no problems with it. We've enjoyed using it tonight on the porch, and again, it's an easy setup versus the bigger projectors, so definitely portable. I see myself using this in my classroom later on. I see myself using it on the porch when I just don't want to hook up the big projector. And yeah, it does a great job. And this is the Vamvo Ultra Mini Portable Projector with its own speaker coming right out of the projector. It's not the loudest, but it'll definitely do. Again, this is all about portability. So I went into the menu for sound, and I got it to be a little bit louder. What I did was I went to sound mode and I changed it to movie. And then I did surround sound virtualization. I did SRS, true surround. And it came out of the projector a little bit louder, you know, so it did a nice job. And this is a loan from the History Channel. But show I like. It's pretty loud. I mean, for a portable feature here, it's pretty good. Hooked up through HDMI on my laptop, so. And this is in 1080p, so it's a nice picture too. If you'd like to purchase your Vamvo Ultra Mini Portable Projector, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.